Hello, everyone. It's Gwen's Ogie Diaz interview.
Yes.
Um, we watched Joanna, which was great, super super good.
It was so good.
And now it's Gwen's turn, and hopefully they do the rest of the members too.
Yes.
But let's get into it. Let's know if sound
At
is good or
kasama
not.
po natin ngayon, exclusive po ito ha, ang isa sa mga miyembro ng BINI, ang lead vocalist at ang lead rapper ng sikat na grupo, si Gwen. Hi,
Hello po.
BINI Gwen!
Hi, Gwen.
Hi, Gwenny.
Cutie.
Yes, Gwen. Hindi ka ba makapaniwala sa success ngayon ng BINI?
Hindi pa rin po. Kasi parang up until now, na-stuck ako dun siguro dahil ang bagal nung takbo nung panahon nung pandemic. So
Okay.
parang hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala.
Well,
Nandun pa rin ako.
Nandun ka pa rin sa pandemic. Bakit?
Opo.
Ano ba si Gwen nung pandemic?
Yun po, na-lock in kami for training. Tapos
Okay.
sobrang hopeless pa namin kasi starting po eh. Tapos walang franchise yung ABS. Ako personally, parang nagda-doubt pa ako before sa girl group. Kasi parang dito sa Pinas, di ba po, hindi pa
Cursor
sobrang
Juseo.
accepted yung girl group. In general, yung
Right
girls,
on
di ba
Gwen's
po,
cheek,
parang hindi
sorry.
pa siya ganun ka ano dito. So, dati parang ginagawa ko na lang yung dapat kong gawin. Pero honestly, parang nagda-doubt din ako before.
Cursor
Yung-
Juseo.
Parang bagal lang ng panahon kasi pandemic, di kami makalabas.
Oo.
Yung routine namin, paulit-ulit lang
Mm.
buong araw, buong taon.
Paano ka nakarating ng Maynila? From Daraga, Albay?
Nag-audition po ako sa Star Hunt, sa Naga, hindi po sa Albay. Though meron ding audition sa Albay, pero hindi po ako na-audition doon kasi nauna yung Naga. Akala ko wala nang audition sa Albay. So,
Ah.
nung nag-Naga, dumiretso na ako Naga, mag-isa lang po ako
Ah.
for PBB,
Ah.
yung sinalihan ko po.
So originally, PBB ka, hindi
Ah.
ka BINI.
Po, doon ako sa
Oo.
PBB muna.
So nga, ikaw yung matakaw dun sa grupo,
Mm-mm.
sa housemate.
She's the
Oo.
glutton
Yes.
group. Is
Takot
that
ako ni Gwen,
is
pero ang
that what they
payat-payat.
is that what they called their group? The glutton group? Jesus Christ!
I mean, girl like to eat.
Yeah nga eh, yun nga rin yung
I'm
problema.
not saying. I'm not saying.
Oh, no, no, no.
I'm saying like
Metabolism.
Jesus
Metabolism.
Christ.
Her, she got good
Ay,
metabolism.
Fast metabolism.
Good for you, girl. Eat.
Talaga po kami.
Alam mo,
They
nung
just
naging
mad they
BINI,
can't
Gwen,
eat
like that.
kaya
They mad that they
hinahanap
can't
yung
eat.
history mo. So,
And stay
natagpuan
skinny.
ng
So,
marami.
oh, well,
nakita
girl.
yung dating sa PBB.
Use that metabolism.
Tapos, mula nun, binabash ka na.
Nah, they just mad 'cause their metabolism ain't up there. That's why they mad about it.
Nakaw ka raw, patay
But Gwen
gutom
enjoying
ka.
her
Ganyan.
food.
So, ano ba talaga, Gwen?
Hindi ko rin alam. Kasi sa PBB, parang, di ba po, medyo ano din sa, ewan, mentally, kulong ka. Yung
Yeah, I
food,
mean, you gotta eat when you gotta
ganun.
eat.
Wala eh.
Got my girl got
Nakikita
hungry.
yung sa PBB, ano, kung nakikita yung mga clips ko.
How much do you
ina-up
think was
ulit sila.
edited?
Oo. So,
To make
ibig
it look
sabihin,
like that.
nag-interesado sila sa'yo. Kaya nila ina-up kahit parang
They were,
in a
yeah, they're
negative
promoting
way.
it. Yes.
So, nung binabalik
Oh, yeah, they
yun,
were
anong
editing it.
naramdaman
Yeah, it seemed
mo?
like she
Parang
ate a lot.
Gusto ba nila akong sirain? Gusto ba nila akong ibagsak?
Well, sa akin
Sorry.
naman, obvious na.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, TL.
Thank you, TL. There you go.
Well, oh, how's the subathon? Oh, we don't have it up.
It is up.
It's not on the stream.
Yes,
Oh,
it is.
Well, we can't see where. Thank you, TL.
Thank you, TL. Sorry, Patreon and YouTube.
Naman po siya agad na
Thank you, Tio.
yung mga tao talaga, hindi lahat magugustuhan ka po. But ako kasi, honestly, medyo nakamove on na rin po ako dun
Yeah,
sa issue.
and we
Good for
love
you,
that.
Gwen. I love that.
Sa PBB, which is, tapos na rin ako magluksado nung
No worries,
paglabas
Tio.
ko
You're
ng
good.
PBB.
Never
Tinatry
apologize.
lang nila
Never
i-connect dun sa issue ulit ngayon, yung sa
Sorry.
stream, nung pag-issue before. Kasi,
But
ina-up
you
na
know,
nila.
all these interviews, like saying that they've moved on from issues,
Yes.
like makes me so happy. Like Joe saying she doesn't even look at and care
Negative
about
stuff.
the
She
negative
laughs
stuff.
about
She
it. Like, I
laughs about
love
it.
that they have
That
that
is just
mentality.
so nice to hear them say like, this doesn't bother me anymore.
Yeah.
PPP doesn't bother me anymore. I don't care that
She's
people-
done grieving. She's
Yes.
over it.
and
which
that's
is good to hear.
so awesome to hear.
And
because
hopefully fans can now see that she's okay
she's
with
over.
it. And
Yeah, she's over it. It's not an issue with her.
It's not a big
anymore.
deal,
and we
which
love
is a
that.
good thing.
It was really cool to hear Joanna say the same thing about like hate and at
Mhm.
Twitter, and she does it doesn't. She laughs.
she
at
laughs
it,
at it.
which is awesome. So I really do hope they do more interviews with all of the girls. to
They
be
can
honest.
clear the air. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really good.
But sorry, I just wanted to say that.
sa PBB, which is, tapos na rin ako magluksado nung paglabas ko ng PBB. Tinatry lang
Look where they are
i-connect
now.
dun sa issue
Yeah.
ngayon, yung sa street food po na.
And
Which
I
I don't
hope-
get din kasi, di ba, parang iba naman yung kinain ko dun sa
And
street.
I'm glad.
Oh,
You know, I'm,
Thank you. I'm glad that you
Kasi-
also don't understand, Gwen, because we don't
we
either.
don't either, Gwen.
Because it's literally just like
It's
I
a
said, brain
non-issue,
rot.
and I
It's a
hope
non-issue.
she can say that she just thought it was funny, and you know.
Yeah.
Yung sa PBB,
Yeah.
natakaw ka, parang patay gutom daw
And-
itong si
and I
Gwen,
just don't
tapos biglang
I just don't understand why
ikinonect nila
Gwen
dito
got
sa
hate of all
people
people.
versus food na parang ang arte-arte mong kumain ng turon, na parang sanay
8
ka sa
to 10 is
turon
still
without
80%.
sugar.
It's good.
Oo, asanay talaga po ako
So,
sa turon.
exactly.
Like,
Like,
you
how
say that
Alam
because,
ko,
like,
lalo kong taga Bicol
Like,
po.
what is
Mostly,
this?
yung mga, hindi ko nila lahat, kasi syempre iba-iba pa rin. Pero mostly talaga sa Bicol, lumaki akong walang sugar yung turon. Ewan ko, ganun siguro magluto talaga. Actually, nung
Yeah.
bakasyon namin, last
Like-
time po, sa ibang lugar ako, hindi sa mismong lugar namin sa Bicol, pero Bicol pa rin. Bumili pa rin yung yung mga tito-tita ko ng turon. Wala pa rin sugar. Sabi ko, di ba? Tama, wala talagang sugar yun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
so
literally-
like it's just the way it was cooked. She wasn't used
Nasanay
to
ako.
it.
Nagulat ako.
Turon na walang
Lord have
sugar.
mercy. Oh,
pero
don't get me
dapat
started, bro. I
malambot
just,
ang
Malambot yung saging. Para
Kills
yung
me.
saging mismo yung matamis. Yung
Ah.
ganun
They didn't need
siya.
sugar 'cause the banana
Oo,
was
alam na
sweet.
mostly.
Meron ganun
Because
talaga.
it was more
May ganun
white.
turon. Siguro okay na yun sa iba, no? Yung ang arte naman ito, ano daw, turon without sugar. Okay na yun.
Like
Yung iba,
that. This-
hinanapan ka pa ulit. Yung pag
Yeah, like bro, I just
The pronunciation?
Pasensya na po kasi
No,
hindi ko alam
they're not
yung
Mexican.
Like, yeah,
Sis.
this tells me so much hearing this.
napaslang na lang tayo nung nadala tayo sa emotions.
Is it the
yung
way she
kausap
said it was
namin,
too
di ba?
English?
Nag-i-English din. Alam nga naman, sagutin po ng Tagalog.
Bakit Inglesera ka ba nung araw pa?
Hindi naman po. Kasi wala, nasa
Like,
ibang bansa
just-
po kami nung
just
time.
hearing
na yun.
that
Tapos
stuff
yung
annoys me.
nag-interview. Siyempre, kailangan mong
Yeah.
They're in the US.
Yes.
They're gonna communicate in
Alam niyo,
English.
bago talaga kami pumasok. As in, tinatry namin i-prepare sarili namin. Kinakabahan din kami kasi paubos na yung English namin buong tour. Ang tagal-tagal po ng tour namin. Tapos buong araw na yun, ang dami na rin namin sinunod.
And they did shoot a lot
Kaya
that
natin
day.
to kami na lang nagtutulungan.
Oo.
Pinupush na lang po talaga namin yung content din.
Gaano ka na-apektuhan doon sa people versus food vlog na yun?
Well, ako po kasi naturally, tinatry ko best ko
And
na wag
good
magbasa.
for you, girl.
Kasi, hindi ko din talaga in-expect na ganun pala siya lumala. Kasi nasa
Yeah, they were on
Batangas
vacation,
kami.
so yeah, like they
Lumobo
probably
yung
didn't
issue na
see.
yun. Sabi ko, ay, pag open ko, ay, ganun pala siya kalala. Pero yun, minsan hindi mo mapipigilan sarili mo magbasa. Nakaka-affect po talaga siya. Like, pag bago, syempre yung emotions, bago yung ano sa'yo, ay, na-up ulit yun sa PBB ko, ganyan. Lahat na nakahalungkat, na-judge ka na ng lahat ng tao, maarte ka sa pagkain, mahirap ka lang naman noon, tapos ngayon, nag-iinas.
Like, people are just crazy.
It's brain rot, man.
Feeling ko mas
Like-
nasaktan ako nung na-affect
Yeah.
yung
Yeah.
family ko.
Just
yung
like Joe
ibang
said, when it
starts
relatives
affecting
ko,
our family.
sinasabihan ko na lang sila na wag na lang masyadong
That's
basahin.
when it
Kasi
gets-
syempre sila, hindi sila sanay sa mga ganong nababasa. Kahit yung mama ko po, hindi po siya talaga nagpapatol or sumasagot. Pero nung time na yun,
Yeah.
feeling ko na dun siya
Yeah, I'm sure.
pinaka-affected
Yeah.
out of all na mga bashing sa aming bini po, especially sa akin.
Naapektuhan yung mama mo. Paano siya naapektuhan? Nagalit pa siya? Gusto niyang sumagot?
I'm
Gusto
sure-
niya po talagang
I'm
sumagot.
Yeah.
sure
As
she
in,
did.
Actually, may ibang post siya talaga sa social media niya. Tapos, may mga ibang kakilala din kasi na sila din mismo yun. So, nakikita niya po. Siyempre, doon tayo ma-hurt pag, di ba, kakilala po natin. Tapos,
Oo.
sila pa yung nag-ano sa'yo.
Sila pa yung nagfo-forward ng mga bad comments.
No, po, doon siya talagang na-trigger din siguro po.
Lagi ka rin nanonominate dahil sa katakawa.
Yes.
At least you can laugh
Yes.
about it.
Sobrang takaw mo
Well,
talaga.
malakas po ako kumain na hindi ko rin alam bakit.
You embrace metabolism, girl. You embrace
Malakas
that.
po talaga kumain.
Good for
Pero
as you
malakas
should.
po ako kumain. Hanggang ngayon naman po.
And you
And she's
continue,
proud of it.
continue to do so, girl. Enjoy your food.
Sana hindi ko to ginawa.
This is the best live ever. I'll never forget it.
Yeah.
Ano namang tiisin, huwag masyadong kumain. Ewan po, iba yung gutom ko dun sa loob. Iba talaga.
Yeah, me.
Ano pa ba? Siguro yung pagiging tahimik ko po. Well, hanggang ngayon naman tahimik ako. Pero before, mas malala pa po ako. Kung ngayon introvert ako, parang mas malala ako before. Like, kunyari, kung may sasabihin ka sa akin masama, tatapakan mo ko.
I let you step on me.
Yeah.
Ganon. Siguro yun yung regrets ko na kulang ako sa
I think you grow into that though.
Yeah,
It's
you
not
do.
easy if you're introverted to learn to stand up
Yeah,
for yourself.
yeah.
It's
Ano
not.
dahil si Bini Sheena ay kasama mo rin
And
sa
they're
PBB.
hum, baby.
Oo,
Un-
parang
Unsinkable,
naikumpara yun.
unbreakable.
Kasi sabi, bauti pa to si Sheena, walang nabago.
Oh my
Kay Gwen,
gosh.
may nabago. Ang
I
laki
mean,
Oh,
ng
Lord, here we go. The
literally.
plastic
So,
surgery
tinitingnan
shit,
ko
huh?
ngayon kung may
Yes.
nabago sa mukha mo. Meron
Lord,
ba?
Tingin niyo po. Wala po talaga. Tito,
Like you
kasi-
change as you get older.
I mean,
Like,
yeah, you
Lord
Tapos
have
sabi
mercy.
nila,
Like I just
43 kilos ka, tapos ang takaw-takaw mo doon.
yeah, exactly.
Hindi kasi tapos inaano pa nila nagpa nagpa-jotox, nagpa-ilong daw
Ano ka ng panga.
Sabi hindi po nagpa-bawas kasi
Nagpabawas.
parang chubby cheeks po ako before.
It's just-
Okay.
like
Hindi
it's
naman ako
like
against
people lose
sa
their
ano,
baby
actually.
fat.
Minsan
Like
sabi ko, ay what?
it happens to K-pop idols all the time.
Hindi
Yeah.
naman ako against sa mga rito.
Oo.
Pero yun nga, hindi naman po, sa ngayon hindi pa po talaga ako
O, bakit hindi ka naman ganun kaputi nung nasa
nasa
PBB ka?
Kasi
Ito.
po, from province, fresh from province.
It's like
ako nun,
she's
so
got an
medyo
answer for
mas
everything.
morena pa po talaga ako.
Ay,
Tapos,
Okay.
ewan ko, sabi kasi kapag taga-probinsya, kapag nandito ka na sa Manila, yung tubig daw dito nakakaputi.
The water here will
Oo,
lighten your
sabi ko,
skin.
kasi kahit yung tita ko nagtanong last time, di ka talaga nagpagos. Sabi ko, ay naku, yung tubig dito nakakatangos na rin ang ilong. Kasi pag galing kang Manila, kung ay taga-probinsya ka, tapos galing ka Manila, pag uwi mo ng province, pumuti ka na. Pero totoo po, promise, nakakaputi nga yung tubig dito sa Manila.
Totoo
Hindi
ba?
po ako nagpapaputi. Never ko naging
I
goal
mean,
talaga.
yung collagen or drip.
Wala.
Mm.
Hindi ko siya goal talaga na pumuti ako.
Mm-mm.
May effect before yung tubig na medyo pumuti din talaga ako compared nung sa PBB. Pero ngayon nga, parang...
I'd assume there's, like, less sun there, too. I
Sa
mean,
hair color.
I'm assuming like if you're from
Yeah,
like
hair
a beach
color,
somewhere
too.
where there's a lot of
Oh,
sun,
yeah.
it's gonna affect
Tsaka
you
po sa
differently
PBB,
than a
hindi
city.
ka naman po talaga makakapag-ayos masyado kasi may restrictions sa mga dalang makeup, ganyan.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, pre,
Tsaka
let's
nasa
be
bahay
more-
ka lang
oo,
eh.
nasa bahay ka lang, authentic lang, ganyan.
Oo,
Bagong
oo.
gising, di ba?
Oo. Mataba ka noon sa PBB. Ngayon ka lang pumayat ng ganyan.
Well, payat naman po ako
What?
before.
What
Pero
the
sabi nila pag
What?
bata ka,
Excuse
mas
me?
chubby chicks,
Did he
especially
just
sa
say
mukha.
that she-
So, parang
no,
mas
maybe-
napansin
maybe-
ko,
hold on,
"Uy,
was the
mukha ko
translation-
chubby."
Was the translation weird here?
Or
Chad?
was he saying that people were saying
People
she
saying,
was
he
fat?
was saying what people.
He was saying what people were
Bagong
saying.
He was saying what
gising.
people were saying
Because
on
like
PBB,
Gwen
right?
had never been fat. Like what in the world?
He was just saying that's what people were saying while she was on PBB, right?
because she had chubby cheeks
Yes.
like most young kids do.
yes, right. That's what people were saying.
Lord have mercy.
Okay,
I
I figured. I'm like, ain't no way he
Mataba
just
ka
said that.
noon sa PBB.
He's saying
Ngayon
what
ka
people
lang
were
Yes,
pumayat.
yeah, I get it. But
Well,
like the fact
payat
that
naman po ako before.
That's what I
pero
mean, like,
sabi
she
nila
was-
pag
she's
bata
always
ka,
been
mas
thin.
chubby
Yeah.
chicks, especially sa mukha. So parang mas napansin ng tao yung sa mukha ko siguro. Kasi
Lord
yung
have
katawan ko
mercy.
nun,
Like,
payat
kids
din
can't
naman.
be kids.
Tapos baka dahil yung baby fats gano'n.
yeah,
So,
I
like
feel like
pa-define
some people
kung
just
time
carry
yun.
their baby fat
Ngayon,
longer.
though feeling ko mas pumayat ako ngayon, sama yung mukha ko, siguro sa sa edad.
Oo,
Mas
oo.
naging define yung
like oh my gosh,
Oh.
it's
Oo,
crazy.
Matangos ang ilong mo, ha?
We po, totoo ba? Hindi po. Tanong, pag naka-side view, sakto lang. Hindi nga siya sobrang taas eh. Nanonose line.
Sa nose
Line.
line.
Oh,
O yan.
Kahit
Ano?
makeup artist namin, ang
Right,
galing.
that look.
Sobrang
Yeah.
galing nila.
That's what
Yung
Joe
nose
said
nila,
too.
oo, Naka-side view, di naman po siya yung sobrang taas. Pero thank you kasi compliment. Sige, thank you. I take it
Yes.
as a compliment. Kasi,
Oo, na para na pagkamalang ka
kasi
nagpa-enhance.
gusto ko talaga tumaas pa yung ilong ko.
Oo, bakit hindi nyo ginagawa? Parang normal na ngayon yun.
Sa
But
ngayon
she don't
po
want
kasi
to.
okay naman
Like,
po
I mean,
sa,
yeah,
I mean, she
itsura
don't
po.
want to.
want to.
And
She
sa
doesn't-
But
mga
like she said, she doesn't
benefits
she doesn't think
Yeah.
it's a bad thing.
No,
If-
she
if she wants to get it, she can get it.
Ito, i-enhance
And you
lang
can
through
enhance through makeup,
naman.
yeah.
Yes.
And okay naman po talaga. Honestly,
Honestly, that shit
ako,
probably
okay
hurts.
naman po.
It
Kasi
probably,
Recovery
the recovery
time
takes,
probably
yeah,
hurts.
like
Ouch.
they busy.
Parang iisa lang daw ang boses niya. Parang mga, meron pa nagsabi,
Mm.
boses Kiki.
Ay.
Ang Bini.
Oh
May
Lord.
boses pala
Oh,
yun.
Jesus. that's peak brain rot.
What the hell? Didn't that he said that with Joe too? Like, what does that mean? What does that
Like,
even?
how do you even connect those two words?
Like, what is that?
what is your brain chemistry to even
what is
try
that?
to connect
Chad,
those
Chad,
two?
what does that mean? Like, what is that? What is that supposed to like mean?
They mean beanie sounds like the word for vagina, basically, but the words are completely different.
Oh, okay, I see.
Kiki and Benny. Like, does that sound remotely the same? Like, it's crazy. That's just craziness.
That's insane.
I mean, to me, that's crazy to me.
oh no, high pitched, not
What? Do we miss it?
It's Filipino humor.
Okay. Well. Okay, it took it
Shrill,
literally.
shrill voice. No, like, but like, how was that? How
Oh my
shrill
God.
voice equal that though?
Boses niya. Parang mga, meron pa nagsabi, boses Kiki
Ay.
ang Bini.
May boses pala yun.
Oh, so it has a voice. Oh, high pitch. I understand. Never mind. I took it literally. But Gwen is me because it has a voice.
Yeah.
Like I agree.
Okay, that makes sense.
Meron ba kayong na-encounter na gano'n ng mga
I'm sure she
comments?
has.
I mean, they mad they can't
Nababasa
sing like
ko
her.
po.
I'd be
Oo.
mad
So,
too.
How do you take it? Yung okay lang sa inyo?
I mean, listen to her voice. She don't care.
Opinion
I
nila
mean,
yun
yes.
po eh.
They're
You know,
not-
I love that they're saying this because I mean they're right. It is their opinion.
their
At the end of the
opinion.
day, they can have one. She said it's okay. She literally said comments like that are okay.
Yeah, she don't.
It's their
an
opinion.
opinion.
I love that they're
That
clearing this
mindset.
air here.
Yes,
And that they're mentally at that mindset where they just don't care what people say
it's an
about
opinion,
them.
and
I love that.
Hindi talaga kami magkakato. Ewan ko. Ako, parang hindi naman kami
Yeah, that's just their
magkakasundo.
opinion
Baka
at the end of the
gusto
day.
nila- Char. Okay.
Maybe they want it to
Mahirap
sound
bang
like that,
maging
yeah.
isang Bini sa mga panahon ngayon?
Opo.
I don't know. This
May
is a really
sikat
mature
kayo,
answer.
I'm sure it is
tapos
hard.
Kada kilos nyo ay may masasabi yung mga tao. Mahirap.
Mahirap po, sobra. Lalo personally, ako sobrang introvert ko and private talaga akong tao. Well, parang ang cliche niyan kasi nasa
Nah, you
showbiz,
can still.
ganyan. Pero very private ako. Sa amin pong Bini, ako ang pinaka hindi nagpo-post, ganyan. Ako nahirapan po talaga mag-adjust sa ganitong setup, lalo sa ganitong work na konting kibot mo, maano ka. Parang nakaka-conscious na minsan gumalaw po.
Naramdaman nyo na parang, teka, tao pa ba trato nila sa amin o robot?
Robot.
Ganyan. Meron ba kayong ganyan?
Yes, parang naging linya po namin
Na,
na para kaming robot talaga. Kasi sa work, parang sunod-sunod din. Tapos hanggang out, pag kahit sa labas ng work,
Yeah.
lumabas ka sa mall, ganyan. Parang laging nakatingin sa yung mga tao.
Yeah,
So di ko
I mean-
maiiwasan na. Naiisip namin yung
Mm.
ganyan.
and they probably can't like be
sinasabi
themselves,
nila na parang,
themselves
oh,
when
ano,
they're even
walang
out
ginagawa ang
doing
Ah,
stuff.
management ng
good.
ABS-CBN
Good
to defend
question.
them, to sue the people na sobrang below the belt ang mga tira sa BIM.
Good
Paano
question.
mo i-describe yung management? Nararamdaman niyo ba yung kanilang malasakit, depensa sa inyo?
They give us the best support system.
Well, that's
po
all,
talaga
and that's
sa
and
management namin. Like,
I
kahit
hope
yung
that that's
sa
enough.
Life coach, mayroon kaming ganon. So, every time may
Coming
issue,
from the source.
may mga
Yes.
session kaming ganon.
Well,
Sobrang supportive po nila.
Yeah,
Tsaka,
I
siguro
mean-
hindi lang naaano ng mga tao. Siyempre, di naman agad-agad yung
Thank
mga
you.
ganyan.
That's what we said. Like the
And we've always been on this kind of side of it too. Just because they're not saying anything doesn't mean they're not doing, anything. But it
And
doesn't mean the blooms that were
we're
worried
worried
are
or
wrong.
invalid because yes,
But it's nice to hear validation from the girls
saying
themselves
like, hey, stuff can't happen.
that they have a great
overnight.
support system. They,
Yeah.
they can talk to people.
Yeah,
They can't rush the kind of legal process that fans wanted.
Yeah.
Obviously,
yeah,
it's just nice to hear it
yes,
officially from them.
yes.
Process.
But not the blooms that were worried are wrong.
No,
not
at
that
all.
because you don't know. We don't know as fans.
Yeah, we
No,
can
we do.
assume that's why,
Yes.
but we don't know if that's the real reason.
Yes
Oo,
po.
oo.
So, baka sabi nila na hindi gumagalaw.
Yeah,
Pero
there
meron
you
naman
go.
yung
Yes.
actions na tinitake po yung
And that's
management for
true.
that.
So kung hindi ka Bini ngayon, ano si Gwen?
Ay, gumraduate na yung mga kasama ko eh. Ano po, siguro mag-FA
Flight
po
attendant.
kung hindi ako Bini. Yun yung ipupursue.
Imagine Gwen being a
Dahil
flight
sikat na
Role
attendant.
Bini,
model,
syempre
yeah.
iniisip nila, yaman na nila, ano kaya na-invest nila? Ano na na-invest ng isang Bini Gwen?
May nakuha na rin naman
Nice!
sa Bicol. Tsaka nung last year,
Nice.
bahay ako.
Good.
Doon din.
Hindi po.
Dito na.
Dito
Oh,
na.
Good.
At least, diba? Tapos,
Kailangan
ano
eh.
pa ang nagawa ng mga kinita ni
So cool.
Gwen?
Good.
Nakapag-support po sa family talaga and nakapag-provide for myself. Ayun, yung mga utang po.
Good.
Nabayaran na
So
namin.
so
Totoo
awesome.
ba?
Opo, nabaon po kami sa utang. Kasi
Ah,
before.
that's so
Lalo
awesome.
nung bago ako mag-BBB.
Ikaw na lahat ng bayad.
pakunti-kunti po yun pa. Kasi syempre yung bini di naman agad nandun.
Oo.
So, ginamit ko lang yung allowance ko.
Oh.
Hindi naman ganun kalaki yung allowance ko. Pero alam niyo po, hindi ko alam kung alam ba to kahit ng girls. Pero yung ano ko nun, bank, yung ano yan, bank account ko, yung card
ATM?
ko, oo. Na doon pinapasok yung pinahawak ko pa sa mama ko para siya yung may magamit.
Oh.
Kahit half lang kami. Tapos nung time na yun, need ko rin mag-invest for phone kasi yung mga content, syempre kailangan okay yung quality. So,
Yeah,
nag-installment
I mean-
ako ng phone. Tapos yung kahati nun kay mama.
Ah.
Malaki talaga. Pero wala, yun, pakunti-kunti. Hanggang sa makarecover po kahit papaano talaga.
So kasama mo na mama mo.
Sa ngayon po, umuwi pa rin siya Bicol kasi parang hindi
Yeah,
na maiwan
she's
yung
used to
bahay.
it.
Kasi
Yeah.
si Papa pa po yung nagpaganda din pa before. So
Mm.
parang sabi niya hindi niya
Miss-
kayang iwan. May sentimental
Sa-
value
oo.
yung bahay.
And yung mga kapatid mo, nandun lahat.
Hindi
Her
naman na po
brothers.
kasi yung iba nga po may family.
Ah,
okay.
Pero
Families.
meron pa rin po ako dalawang kapatid po na doon pa nakatira po. Sa bahay
Okay.
sa Bicol. Kasama ni Ma'am.
So tuwing kailan ka lumuluwas sa Bicol?
Nakakauwi naman po ako during holidays. Yan po. Tapos kahit random, basta kaya ko umuwi.
Good.
Tapos namiss ko ng
That's really
Bicol.
good
Hindi, umuwi
that
po kahit
ABS-CBN
2 days
lets them
lang
leave
yan.
if they want
Lumilipad
to.
po talaga
Namimiss
ako.
Like if
mo
they
rin.
want to go,
Opo,
they can.
Sobra. Kasi syempre doon pa lumaki. Iba talaga yung yung hangin, yung
Sa
feeling.
probinsya.
Pag gumising ka ng umaga, nandun ka sa
Yeah.
bahay mo talaga.
Yeah,
Iba
it's
pa
so
rin yung
true.
feeling.
Ano narinig mo sa mama mo? Ngayong sikat na ang Bini at isa din sa Bini, anak niya.
Ano po, sobrang proud po ni Mama. Well, sobrang naman namin, like open and close naman po ko ni Mama. Ano talaga siya? Very supportive naman siya ever since. And sobrang proud po niya sa akin. And she's very happy po.
And even your brothers.
Opo.
Mm-mm.
Tapos parang pansin ko, after nung Bini, parang mas naging close pa nga kami.
Talaga?
Ng family ko po. Kasi
Oo.
baka dahil before, ang dami ng, alam mo yun, ang daming
Yeah.
problema
Yeah.
sa buhay. So parang masyadong naging busy kami na paano namin masasurvive.
Like I said,
to.
money doesn't
Ganun.
solve all
Masyado kami
problems, but it
nag-focus.
helps.
So,
Yeah,
at
it
least
helps.
nasa business,
Especially when you're not used to having
Financial
it.
stability is
pagka-base
a lot.
Parang ano pala siya, mas nakakapag
Bond.
pa-solid kahit pa paano. Oh.
Oo.
Are all of Gwen's
So bago ka
Gwen's brothers older than her?
Sobrang hirap po talaga ng buhay namin po. As in, kasi si mama, single mom.
What happened to
Tas
Gwen's?
Bata pa lang po, 4
Oh,
years old.
I didn't know
Nawala na po
that.
yung papa ko. So,
Did you know?
kami,
I
umasa kami
I
sa
thought
pension.
I'd heard
Tas
that,
si
but I
mama,
don't. I
nahirapan
can't
siya
remember
maghanap
like
ng work
details.
kasi
And that
working
makes it even
experience.
harder.
Kasi di na siya
Yeah.
pinag-work ng papa ko eh. So, nahirapan na siya magharap ng regular talagang work. So,
Dahil may edad
racket-racket
na.
lang. Tapos, syempre, ang dami po namin magkakapatid.
Yeah.
But it was in the documentary. That's what I
Lima po
thought.
Okay, that's
yeah.
what I thought, okay.
Bunso po ako.
Paano kayo ginapang ng mama nyo? Hindi
po,
kayo
pero-
nakapaganda nung nawala ang tatay mo.
Hindi po, sobrang unexpected po kasi nung pagkamatay ng papa ko po. Nag-work po siya, tapos natulog, hindi na nagising.
Oh
Wow.
man,
Naging work
what?
Puro
po yung
maraket.
pinasok niya? Yung racket po, racket. Yung mga nagbebenta ng mga gold, ganyan, or kaya bookkeeping, kahit ano po, or kaya anything na pwedeng ibenta, ganun.
It's so
Na-witness mo?
nice that now they don't have to worry about
Kahit
that.
ano-ano na lang. Pero minsan, syempre, malulugi sa probinsya ba? Parang uutangin pa yung mga binibenta mo. So, minsan, nalulugi pa si mama. So, hindi talaga, nahirapan talaga kami.
So pinag-aral kayo lahat ng mama nyo.
Opo, pero meron sa amin na nag-stop talaga. Need mag-stop kasi hindi na kinaya. So, yung kuya kong pangatlo nag-work. Tapos may mga rin kasi, like may naging batang ama po kong kapatid. So, sunod-sunod patong-patong talaga siya.
Yeah.
Hanggang hindi na kami naka-recover talaga din. Daming pinaggastusan.
So paano kayo nadubog sa utang?
After mawala nung papa ko, yun din kuya kong sinundan, nagka-appendicitis. Tapos habang inaasikaso niya yung
Jeez.
mga, ewan ko yung sa financial ng papa ko. So,
Okay.
dalawa yung inaasikaso niya. Tapos naging batang ama yung
The older
kapatid ko,
brother,
pangalawa.
yeah.
Tapos, naigapang naman ni mama yung panganay namin. Nakagraduate
Okay,
ng
so
college.
our older brother
Tapos,
graduated.
yung pangatlo kong kuya nag-stop sa school kasi hindi na kinaya financially. So, need niya mag-work muna. Kaming dalawa, sobrang bata pa namin. Tapos, ako ginagawa ko nun sa school, nagbibenta din ako ng ano-anong snacks po. Opo, para lang makabawas dun sa gastos po. Tapos, kapag may mga racket-racket, ganyan, inaano ko na rin. Like,
Oh.
sa modeling po, ganyan.
Nag-modeling ka muna bago ka pumunta doon ng Star Hunt.
Opo, kumakanta-kanta rin po before. Events, graduation, or sa school, ganyan po.
Mm-mm.
Nai-invite pag may mga coronation, ganyan. Pero hindi pa ako bumibirit.
Ah,
Pero kumakanta naman po ako before.
ano nag-motivate sa'yo para sakto pa rin yung pangarap mo.
Kahirapan po talaga kahit yung
Poverty.
in-interview ko sa PBB. Kasi yun po yung tumatak sa akin na parang yung bahay namin nakikita ko throughout the years nabubulok na. Ganon yung gate namin, pwede na makapasok kahit sino. Yung
It must be
bubong
really
namin,
just nice for the
sinasalo ng
members that like
langgana.
really
Kapag
were at the
umuulan
bottom
si
to
mama,
where they are
ang
now.
ulam parang nafe-feel sad siya kasi yun lang yung napapakain niya sa amin. Yung mga ganon, yung iyak ni mama gabi-gabi, yung paglilista ni mama ng utang sa notebook
It's gotta be
niya
so,
gabi-gabi.
like,
Kaya gusto
uplifting
kong
for them to not have to
umasensitive
worry
talaga.
about that
Na hindi ko
anymore.
naman in-expect, thank you Lord, na nakapasok talaga ako ng PBB nang walang kahit
Yeah.
ano. Wait, tapo,
night,
ikwento ko
Rafe.
lang po. Kasi nung nag-audition ako ng PBB, kahit si mama hindi niya ako nasamahan kasi yung pamasahe ko, saktong-sakto lang talaga. As in, nag-audition ako ng PBB, kahit pambili ng tubig, wala. So, wala akong kasama, nakapila ako, gutom na ako, uhaw na ako. Wala man lang mapag-utusan o mapakisuyuan na kahit tubig
Jesus.
lang. Inabot ako ng madaling araw po, ang lamig-lamig na ng pawis ko sa audition. Hindi ko naman po kasi in-expect na makakapasok ako. Hindi ko in-expect na tatagal ako dun sa audition. So, gabing-gabi na wala akong kain, wala akong tubig. Nung last part na madaling araw na ang lamig na talaga nung pawis ko. Nanghihina na ako. Tapos saktong-sakto lang yung pera ko talaga.
Oh, paano mo nalaman na nakapasok ka sa BBB?
Napasama po ko dun sa mga last po, yung sa kinakausap na ni Direk. Tapos, hindi pa kasi ako nakakapag-hotel noon. Tapos, parang yung mga malalayo, parang in-accommodate nila sa hotel.
Okay.
Actually, may matutulugan naman ako, yung tita ko. Pero sabi ko, ay sige, try ko yung hotel.
Yeah, why not? Why not?
Nagkunwari ako, nyari wala matutulugan.
Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. Yeah, make
O
them
di
pay for
naka-hotel
it.
ka.
Nung naka-hotel, first time. Wala,
Napawi.
tinulog ko na lang po yung talaga. Kasi
She
maliit
slept it
araw
off.
na. Wala rin akong pera nun. So, after, diretso ng hotel, natulog na.
So, you mean nag-stop ka sa school?
Opo, after PBB, hindi po mag-stop. Well, na-survive ko pa naman yung last year ko po noon, before PBB, na natulungan naman ako ng mga teachers ko po, dun sa grade 10, kasi grade 10
Okay.
po ako noon. Ongoing yung school, nag-PBB ako. Natulungan naman po nila akong mahabol pa yung last na mga hindi pasa.
Naka-graduate ka
ganon.
pa rin ng
Opo, nung grade 10.
grade
nung time.
10. Natapos mo rin naman ng senior high.
Yes, this
Oh.
year.
It's just
Okay.
crazy to me that they're still in
Development na ba?
school.
Si
Like, it's
Gwen?
Opo naman. Siyempre po, growing up, marami na rin tayong matututunan. And
I wonder if they get
naniniwala
bigger
naman
if they'll
ako na
keep
from
going to
PBB
school.
ngayon, malayo naman.
I mean, probably if they want to.
Nung
You
time
know what I
na
mean?
yun,
Like, I feel like it's
alam mo
important to
yun,
them.
Parang medyo
Yeah.
kulang pa tayo
But at some
sa
point,
ano.
you know.
And iba pag nasa reality show ka. Iba pala talaga. Hindi ko in-expect and sobrang clueless ko sa industry na to. First time ko lang din naman pumasok. So, ayun. And di ko pa siguro masyado naisip yung mga ano ko noon, ginagawa ko po. Pero so much improvement naman
Yeah.
ako. Kaya pasensya na po kayo kung matakaw ako ng
Nah,
time na
don't,
yun.
nah.
Tapos
You
hindi
know
ko-
what, Gwen? Don't even worry about
Pero
that.
kayo nag-share na
We shouldn't throw away food because they would have got on her for doing that. Nice.
So, nung nag-PBB ka, paano ka napunta ng Bini?
After PBB, yun po, na-evict ako, pinasok ko doon
Evicted
sa
right in the training.
training. Kasi hindi ko po naabutin yung pinaka-start nila eh. Parang tinry lang kami, yung mga ibang housemates na i-train din doon sa Bini po. So yun,
She
akala ko
left.
for
She said,
as a
nah, this
pasok
ain't for me.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, ano bang ginagawa ng mga to? Ginagawa ko lang, pero hindi ko alam para saan. Sabi, para saan ba to? Kasi during that time po, hindi naman for Bini talaga yung project. Kumbaga, ano pa siya, very
They're doing a boy group too, I thought.
Parang
They're trying to put a
kami,
boy group
ano ba
together.
to? Para saan ba to? Ganun. Hindi pa sinasabi, hindi pa siya clear na Bini girl group, ganun.
Ano ang ipinangako mo sa sarili mo na hindi na mangyayari sa pamilya mo o sa buhay mo?
Hi, maghirap talaga.
Mm.
Actually, recently, parang may mga kinakausap akong mga sa showbiz na, alam mo yun, hingi ka ng advice or kahit sa mga makeup artist, ganyan-ganyan.
Oo.
Chinichika ko puro about
Yeah,
investment,
smart.
Yep.
mga experiences din nila kasi parang need ko ng guidance kasi coming from poor hindi naman kami mayaman, walang business at all, so clueless ako paano ko i-handle
Yeah.
yung pera
I mean,
ko.
that's really
Ay,
smart.
ayoko na po bumalik sa hirap talaga. So, tinatry ko po talaga ngayon na i-invest
Good.
sa tama yung
That's
pera
so-
ko.
so nice to
na-handle
hear.
siya ng tama. Ayun, advice, hihingi ng advice talaga.
Kung nabubuhay pa ang tatay mo,
Mm.
ano kaya ang buhay niya o ng pamilya niya ngayong sikat ang anak niya o sikat ang Bini?
He must be very proud of me po. Kasi siya talaga yung nangarap maging artista ko. As in, sobrang gusto niya. Kasi hindi siya kumakanta, pero si mama po, siya yung kumakanta. Tapos, pangarap niya sa akin, bata pa lang ako, narinig niya akong may boses kahit di pa ako yung totally nakakapagsalita. Pero nasa tono ako. Sabi niya, tuwang-tuwa siya sa akin. So, sabi, well, kwento na lang to ni mama sa akin kasi bata pa ako. Parang pinagmamalaki pa daw ni papa sa mga workmates niya na ang galing ko daw kumanta, ganyan. Tapos, pangarap niya talaga mag-artista. So, siguro kung buhay po siya ngayon, proud proud po siya sa akin.
Mm.
Sa kanya nagsimula yung yung pag
Oh,
ano ko
so
ng pangarap
awesome.
ko maging artista.
Mm. At anong naibigay kaya ni Gwen sa tatay niya?
Siya na ang operator ng bus ngayon, hindi na siya nagtatrabaho sa bus, siya na ang operator. Dahil siya na ang may-ari ng bus ngayon. Kung
Yep.
buhay pa siya. Tutulungan ko siya.
Oo. Ano pa sa mga misconception sa Bini ang gusto mong i-correct?
Lumaki daw po yung ulo namin.
I don't understand how they think they're
Yeah.
that Benny's not humble still. Like
Ang dami kasi talaga eh. Kasi yung iba, on a random day, kunyari makita ka lang hindi ngumiti, ganyan, maano ka na, kung ano na masasabi sa'yo.
Oo, yung mga dire-diretso
Oo,
ra kayo na
eh,
malakad, hindi kayo kumakaway sa fan.
They don't have
Kasi ang
to.
person ko niya, may in-ear namin. May
Yeah,
nakita
like they
Yeah.
can't hear it.
in-ear na ako.
In-ear
May
yung
earpiece po sa
Oo,
pag
yung pag
nagpo-perform.
nag-
Minsan doon, pag nandun na yon may tunog na.
Yeah,
you
minsan
can
sakta
hear.
yung coach namin. So pag may mga fans sa gilid, hindi
Na
ko naririnig. Yun po hindi nila alam siguro. Akala nila na
And
minsan
that's
yung
valid.
mata, gumaganyan. Pero
Yeah.
nasisilaw lang sa ilaw.
Yeah, they can't see.
Oo, oo.
Mga hindi na po nila alam. Hindi mo naman may explain pa ganun. Parang too much information. Ganun. Sorry po sa mga nakikita kong
Girl, it's
po
you're
sa akin.
fine.
Hindi ko naman po sinasadya. Hindi ko lang marinig minsan talaga as in. Hindi ko sinasadya.
Sinong gusto mong pasalamatan?
Of course, yung family ko. Kasi sila yung pinakaunang nagtiwala sa akin. Yung mama ko. Grabe, kahit nalubog kami sa utang, sinusuport niya ako sa mga sinasalihan ko po workshop. Hindi kahit wala kaming budget, bibilhan niya ako ng damit. Kahit ukay lang. Ayun, syempre, yung family ko. Yung management na, syempre, kung hindi din naman ako natanggap, 'di ba? Saan ako magsisimula? Sila talaga yung unang nakakita ng potential ko. Na kahit ako mismo, hindi ko pa alam ba't ba ako natanggap noon. Ganito lang ang itsura ko. Pero sila, naniwala sila sa akin. And our fans, iba talaga ang Blooms. As in, parang ang amazing na makita silang dumadami, growing, and very supportive. They always have our back. And sa kanila rin kami humuhugot ng lakas. Lalo sa mga times na sobrang down kami, yung support nila, messages nila kahit di naman ma-reply yung isa-isa. Hindi nila alam, sila din yung nagmo-motivate sa amin most of the time.
May lumalabas na may buntis sa Bini. Gaano katotoo ito?
Hindi po totoo yun.
Lord
Wala
have
pong
mercy.
buntis sa amin kahit isa.
Hi,
Wala po,
Joe.
wala po
Welcome.
talaga.
Sa palagay mo, Gwen, hanggang kailan ang Bini? Tatagal.
Forever.
May Bini, hanggat may Blooms, hanggat nandyan yung ABS.
I think that's a
Forever.
valid. That's a as long as ABC, ABS-CBN, and
Anong
Blooms,
na-realize
Vinny
mo
will
sa
last.
buhay?
Great things take time.
Yes,
And
they
trust
do.
the process. Talaga. Yung process ng Bini po, I can say na parang
Yeah.
walang katumbas.
Bini is
Wala
the
po
definition
talagang
of
ano
trust
yun.
the
Pero
process.
yun
Trust
naman
the
yung
process.
nagpalakas sa amin and nahon kami sa kung ano man yung namin ngayon, kalagayan namin po ngayon.
Gwen, grabe ka magmahal ng pamilya, no? Solid na solid.
Opo.
Buti hindi ka kumakawala sa nanay mo na biglang gusto ko na mag-solo, gusto ko na magkaroon ng sariling pamilya.
Ay, hindi ko po kaya. Hindi ko talaga
Oh.
po. Kasi kita ko kung paano niya kami ginapang nung
Yeah.
simula nung nawala si Papa.
Yeah.
Grabe yung sacrifices niya. Hindi ko siya makitang mag-isa. Actually, kahit sabi ko, pagtanda ko, bala ko kahit
You were the same compound.
mag-aalaga sa kanya. Hindi ko po kaya talaga.
Oh.
Ganun lang. So, sabi ko, pag naka-ano
That's
ako,
a good thing
nagka-work
she's
na
in
ako,
Bini. She
babawi
won't have to
talaga
really
ako.
worry
Siya
about
talaga
that.
yung
Mom will
priority
always
ko
be
sa lahat,
comfortable.
as in. And kasama ko siyang magiging successful po.
What a good interview, man.
I want all of them to do one of
Yes.
these. I think these are so good. And I think
Wow.
that maybe even some of the brain rotted people can have reverse brain rot after watching these. Even if it's just one of them gets their brain rot healed, it's a win.
It's a win. If
You know
one
what I
of-
mean?
Yeah.
Like if we can convert one brain rot into a normal brain, like that's a win. No, TL,
We
not
gotta- we
TL.
can't- we
You
can't-
know they might go
we
back
can't-
after
we
this.
can't
Look,
assume
we
that they
gotta
won't
have
go
faith
back.
that some brain rot can
Will-
be
will
repaired.
will be-
We gotta hope. We gotta
Yeah.
hope for their sake. I mean, I realize that sometimes there's some people are far worth
Worse than
trying to
others.
redeem, but hopefully some people that maybe aren't fully brain rotted, maybe half brain rot, they can watch these interviews and be repaired a little bit. I mean, yeah, I agree. They definitely need help. But these are great. Like I
Yeah,
said,
they're
these are
excellent.
really, 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 really good interviews. And
I really do hope that all of them get interviewed, because he's such a good interviewer. Like,
yes.
he's just so good. And in fact, he's asking questions that I was very
Yeah, like
interested
how
in.
when people say like, oh,
The
they're
Maddox
not
is
doing
not
anything
doing anything.
illegally, or
You
how
know?
they feel about when they see comments and how
Or
they
like how they feel, like how she felt about the People versus Food, or you know, the
it's just
BBB.
it's cool to hear, because most of the time most companies will not let them talk about
Yeah.
stuff like this. Like they won't let them talk about like how they felt about any kind of scandal. So it's really nice
yeah,
that they're being given the opportunity to actually speak about this stuff. It's
Yeah.
really cool.
really good.
And the way that both Gwen and Joanna have answered is just like, I'm glad that they
They're able to
kind of
get-
laugh it off, and like they don't really, oh, it's their opinion, which
Yeah.
it is. That's how you should view it. Or Joanna just laughs at it, or she just doesn't read it.
Yeah.
It's just really nice to know that, you know, people saying all this trash about them, and they seem to have a good way of deflecting
Yeah.
seeing it. So it's
That's
good
awesome.
to hear.
The interview was awesome.
So now when they get bashed by people, there's a good chance they just don't see it, or they just don't care.
Yeah.
It's nice as a fan to know that that's where their mindset is.
Yeah.
Especially Gwen after the huge, like the death threat stuff on the People versus Food thing. It's just glad to know that she's just, it seems like
She's
she
okay.
doesn't care. She
Yeah.
just like Joe, it's more when their family gets involved.
Yes.
That's when
Yeah.
it
and
bothers him.
Hito
Like
said,
it would
it's-
bother anybody.
Like Hito said, it's nice to know these trashy people are irrelevant. Even
Yes,
to me.
and
Yeah.
that's how I always felt.
Yeah, they're
I
irrelevant.
wished and I hoped that that's how they felt too. That they ignore them.
Yes. But anyway, guys, this was a great interview.
Yes, it was fantastic.
Like I said, we hope there are more. Hopefully with all 8.
Yeah, this is great. I like this.
I can't imagine like them not having all 8, but
No.
it'll be interesting to see. But yeah, that was awesome.
Fantastic. If you guys are watching on Patreon, thank you guys for the support. As always, I'm sure this will be up on YouTube too. So if you guys enjoyed, please give the video a like, comment. It helps the video out a lot in terms of algorithm. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.
All right, see you guys.
We're not leaving chat, but by YouTube, by Patreon.
By Patreon.